Hello viewers, this is Just Fake Network TV, a place where you can get the latest information about Nigeria news and now the news in details. While we are deploying Mayetti Hala vigilantes across Nigeria, Body just says. The national president of Mayetti Hala, Kauta Hore, Bello Abdullahi Bodijo, has said that cattle rustlings and incessant attacks by their members led to the formations of the security outfit, Mayetti Hala Vigilance Group, which will operate all over the country, speaking in Vincent Kalu. After the outfit was launched July 27, the leaders of the Fulani Social Cultural Association stressed that no opposition can stop its operations in any part of the country. Wow. The launching of the Mayetti Hala Vigilance Group has not gone down well with other geopolitical zones, as they argue that your security outfits should be confined to your region, the north, and not all over the country. We launched the Mayetti Hala Vigilance Group on July 27, and we started with 1,000 personnel who are still undergoing training with Vigilante Group of Nigeria, VGN. You know, Fulani people are moving to those areas where there are grasses. Any place where there is grasses, they will operate there to see how they can feed their cows. So everywhere they have the vigilante is supposed to be there. And that is why our vigilante would be everywhere in the country because of these cattle rustlers, and they will be the one to make peace in the event of problems between the herdsmen and the farmers. That is the reason they will be operating every part of the country. Amoteco of Southwest is just saying its own. If they want to do security to fight crimes, what is their problem with our own vigilante? Let them concentrate on what they are doing. Our vigilante is the same thing with Amoteco, but the only difference is that ours is all over the country, while Amoteco is the Southwest. The Yorubas are all over the country, but they didn't set up Amoteco in every state of the federation. That one concerns them. If they are all over the country, they are not operating in the bushes and forests. For the Fulani, their business and all what they are doing is their cows. But if you can see Yoruba man or a person from any other tribes who can carry 10 million naira cash in transparent bag and move from Lagos to Adamawa or from Lagos to Ibadan, that person can be attacked by armed robbers or other criminals who can even kill him. The same way with Fulani, they are moving with their money in transparent bags, which are the cows. So the cow is like bank to them. If you build bank, you must fence it to secure it. But if you build bank and you put money there without fencing the building, do you think you can go there tomorrow and meet the money? No. Thieves will go and steal the money by force. So that is the reason Fulani are having problems of securing their cows, because no one is protecting the cows, which is their money in transparent bag. So our vigilante group has to operate very well because of the level of insecurity in this country. Cattle rustlers, kidnapping, bandits are operating inside bushes and forests. Our people have been victims and they have suffered more than any ethnic groups, but there is no media to report that. There is no journalist who would go inside the forest to report their plight. In those bushes and forests, there is no telephone network or coverage, so that makes our security challenges more difficult. It's only Fulani man that can trek from Lagos to Bauchi. Our vigilante will support the police and the military. Even like Amoteco in the southeast and south already have their vigilantes, whereas the vigilantes of Mayetti Hala come to be their problem. They don't have any reasons to oppose it. Fulani are already in VGN that is operating all over the country. About 75% of its personnel are Fulani, but they are not making a noise. Our vigilante is not the type that will cause troubles here and there. If you are talking about Benue State, the governor used the Fulani herdsmen farmer crisis as campaign issues during his re-elections because he has not done anything for the state. He used these issues to wipe up sentiment and to draw support from his people. However, even though he won the election, Benue people are very educated and enlightened, and that is why you don't see any group opposed to the Mayetti Hala vigilantes. The Benue state government has already enacted anti-grazing law, and they have sacked Fulani from their state. So Fulani are no more in their state, and the indigenes of Benue have already started cattle business. You see cows moving around there. they allegedly belong to the governor and other people of the state, and that is why you hear the governor saying they don't want any vigilantes to come and operate in the state. Fulani herdsmen are not rearing dogs, pigs, and goats. They are operating when you have Fulani. So there are no more Fulani in Benue State, as they have been sacked from the state. If all the states and Nigerians are talking or opposing our vigilante, Benue State Governor Samuel Hortom or the Benue people shouldn't join them to comment on the security outfit. Our members have lost more than 3 million cows in Benue State. In Plateau and Nasarawa, as well as other states, we are backing the Inspector General of Police community policing model. It is a welcome idea, but our people have already gone far with the vigilante security outfit. It is not only the community policing, whatever policy that the IGP, the military or DSS introduces to solve the security problems of the country. We will support it 100%. Our own concern is to let this cattle rustling stop, let this kidnapping stop, and let peace be brought back to our country and the people. As you know, community policing is for everybody, so Fulani will also be part of it, but you can't stop Mayetti Hala Vigilante, which is voluntary to help to protect our people. Like in Nasarawa, we had a meeting with all the HIMARS in the state over some areas in the states where banditry, kidnapping and cattle rustling were taking place. The HIMARS just caught Fulani and directed them to go and flush out the criminals elements from that bush and if possibly nab them so that they can be brought to book. Fulani are rearing cattle and they know bushes more than any group. They are very good hunters because they are on ground in the bushes. When Amotekun was being set up, the federal government kicked against it and said the community policing was coming up to solve the security problems. So why did the Mayetti Hala go ahead to set up its own? If the federal government directed us to stop setting up the Mayetti Hala Vigilante, we will obey. But I don't think the government can stop VGN that has been operating for many years and was established under relevant laws. This VGN was formed by Fulani Captain Usman Jahum, who is the Commandant General. He is a member of Mayetti Hala Kauta Hore Fulani Sociocultural Association. The vigilante is already operating. What we have done is to identify the people who know who they are and increase their number. For example, we can see how to add more personnel to Ibadan or Enugu and other places. And after launching it, what has been the federal government's reactions? The VGN is already operating everywhere and it is not new. The only thing is that we have added 1,000 Fulani to join them and be trained. The name of our security outfit is Mayetti Hala Vigilante under VGN. We will also take them for more training and thorough screening by the Civil Defense Corps. We launched it on July 27th in Abuja. We gathered Fulani leaders and Captain Jahu. The VGN commanders, we collaborated with them and formed the vigilante under VGN before this time. There were already many Fulani personnel in the organization. We want to recruit more. The 1,000 personnel are still undergoing training, and since we are not hiding anything very soon, people will see them, as their uniform will be different from VGN. It is how we can bring back our peace in the country between farmers and Fulanis. Wow, I am short of words. So viewers, what do you think about this? What is your own take? You know, I will keep saying it. I don't trust this Mayetti Hala Association. No. I don't trust them at all. Because this is definitely happening because they are somebody that cannot be trusted. I'm telling you, and I pity our governors in the South and even in the Southwest. What are they doing? I pity them. Because with the look of things, these people are having another plan entirely. They are having another plan. I'm telling you, and no wonder most of them are in the forces. Some recruited Nigerian police, civil defense, Nigerian army, Air Force, and the heads of all above mentioned bodies are the same Fulanis. are the Fulanis, the weapons. They are going around with supplied instruments through the year so that they can be all over the country and all over the country. It's like those people, they want to take charge of Nigeria, but God should help us. God should help us. That's what I can say. So viewers, what do you think about this? What is your own take about this? Kindly drop your comments at the comment section below, because according to Mayetti Allah, they said the reason for their vigilante is just for the country to have peace. So drop your comment at the comment section below. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Bye.